everybody, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd just pop on here. It's this 5 things that I did before starting my decluttering journey. This journey, because I've decluttered many times before. So what did I do before starting this time around? So you're gonna get something that you can make notes on. I have a piece of paper on here and a pencil, pen. You can use whatever, a notepad, a booklet. You can even use your phone. Something you're going to write on, something that you know is not going to be hidden and hide away, and something very visual that you can see. So here I'm a list person. I also sometimes journal. I sometimes put in a planner, but I'm more of a list person. So even like those list pads that you can get from the dollar store, you can use that as well. So getting the paper and the pen, etc., was one. Again, you can also use your phone if you're that type of person who will go into your phone and look at your phone for who would look at your phone for this. 2, go around your home and kind of break your home down into zones. Like your bedroom could be zone 1, your kids bedrooms could be, I have 2, so it would be like 2, 3, or that's a zone. One daughter's bedroom is a zone, the other daughter's bedroom is another zone. For me, I live in a condominium, like apartment style condominium. And so for me, even my entryway, my hallway is one zone, because that can get cluttered. The closet in that hallway, I put it as a zone because I have to take out a lot of stuff to see where things are, and it's a room in itself, but it's just a closet. My laundry room, a separate zone. I broke it down like that because the bigger the zone for me is overwhelming. So so pick out the zones. In my living room, so in front of me is my living room. Back here is my craft / like office area. This has needs some decluttering, but how it is organized, my daughter came in and assisted me with starting some decluttering from before and setting up some form of organization. So she's also constantly looking, because they go in here too and get some supplies and stuff. Our printer is back there as well. Here against here, I have a desk that I use, and currently is a mess and needs to be decluttered. So just pick out, so like my desk would be a zone, like those shelves would be a zone. So it doesn't need to be a full room. Just choose what is best for you for zones. My dining room's over here, kitchen's over there. So even within my kitchen, definitely has to be broken down in zones. So break your home down in zones and make a list of those zones. So within those zones, now you got it, create some more zones. So I started decluttering, as you know, in my bedroom. So within my bedroom, I have a ensuite / closet. It's all combined. It's a very old building. I don't know who designed it that way, but it's a closet / bathroom area. So within that closet would be a zone, and within that I'm like, okay, I'm going to tackle my vanity, I'm going to tackle underneath my sink, I'm going to tackle my utility cart, I'm going to tackle my cabinet, then I'm going to tackle my closet. So within the zone, you have further zone. Write those down. So once you got your zones ready and you're ready to work, so you have it all listed down, so you have something. I have this clipboard. I have about 3. So you have your pen, paper, and on that you have your zones listed and your subzones, if you want to call it that. So then you just tackle within your zone or subzone, you just tackle something. And if you want to break it down even further, go ahead. Whatever it takes to make you continue on with your decluttering. That's the whole goal, is to complete it and have it all organized through decluttering. So what I do before I start decluttering in the zone or the subzone is I have a bin, a basket, or a bag for giving away, throwing away, moving, so you just need to, you're not going to throw away, you might need to move it to a different part of your home. So everything that needs to be dispersed somewhere else is in that basket. So we have throw away, give away, and just moving, and then keeping, so that you can see everything that basically that you're keeping in for that space, and if it makes sense. So now you're ready to declutter. So hopefully with these 5 little tips that you're able to start and then complete a task. So hopefully with these 5 tips, you're able to start and complete a task, and then move forward with your decluttering. And sooner than you think, the whole cluttering process will be completed. Now, cluttering is ongoing. You have to set a time frame in your head that you're going to tackle this again in 3, 6, 4 months. I would say 6 months would be the longest that I know that I should be going without decluttering. Even though if you just need to go and look at the space and assess the space again, doesn't mean you have to do anything, because like I said, right here in my crafting area, it doesn't need as much as it used to. I'm buying less. I'm trying to use what I have so that I know that I don't have to do a lot of decluttering. When I do create on this desk here, it creates a lot of clutter, and but a lot of it is just to move things back to where it needs to go. So again, I hope you liked this video. I hope you found these tips very useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.